Hello, digital friends. It's currently vacation season, and we're all looking for accommodations by the seaside or in other attractive locations. However, sometimes you may need to cancel your reservation for some reason. I'll show you how to do that on the Booking app. Open the Booking.com app. To access your reservation details, click on the Bookings option at the bottom of the screen. Find your active reservation here and click on it. Scroll down a bit and find the Manage Booking button. Click on it. A new screen with your reservation details will open. Click on Cancellation options. Here you can see if the cancellation is free or if you'll have to pay a certain amount even though you're canceling. For example, in my case, I would have to pay the full amount because I found accommodation that doesn't have free cancellation. If you have free cancellation, simply click on the Cancel Entire Booking button, and that's it. If your accommodation doesn't offer free cancellation, you can try canceling by clicking on the Request to Waive Fee button. This will send a request to the host to cancel the reservation without payment. Whether they accept it depends on their goodwill. And that's it for this video. Subscribe to our channel and become part of the digital family.